Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and peripherals are working. That avoids wasted steps. Next, open Windows Settings now, press Windows plus I or click Start, then Settings. This gets you to System Controls quickly. Once there, choose Network and Internet so you can see the airplane mode toggle and current radio states. You do this because the setting centralizes Wi-Fi and Bluetooth radios. By opening it first, you avoid chasing device drivers or unrelated panels, and you can act immediately. You now locate the airplane mode toggle and switch it off if it's on. That directly restores radio transmissions on most Dell desktops. Once done, make sure the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth toggles are enabled. Airplane mode can leave them disabled. Then, open the Action Center with Windows plus it to cross-verify the same status quickly. This double check ensures settings applied. Do this because the UI updates can lag, and verifying prevents needless driver troubleshooting later. You finish by restarting the PC to reinitialize hardware and confirm radios come back online. Many toggles require a reboot to fully apply. If restart fails, open Device Manager and update the network and Bluetooth drivers. This resolves driver-level blocks. Make sure to check BIOS or UEFI wireless settings and any physical Wi-Fi adapter switch, because Dell models sometimes disable radios at that level. If it still won't clear, try a clean driver reinstall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.